In order to work with a manufacturer in the apparel industry, you need to have a tech pack, which, like the BOM, breaks down in detail every aspect of the production process. You can generate a tech pack in CLO, however, you will need the following things: a graded pattern, a POM sheet with all of your measurements, a marker for each fabric used, a BOM sheet with all of your prices filled in, in our BOM video, I didn't have the chance to fill in the pricing for the different colorways, but here I do, so I'll go ahead and fill those out as well. And last but not least, our line sheet. Now we can move into CLO3D by selecting our cloud icon here and going to Tech Pack via CLO3D. Just as a reminder, you must have the paid version of CLO3D in order to be able to download a tech pack. When you're in CLO3D, select the plus more button to select the workroom you'll be using so that it populates into the tech pack. For now, we'll continue with the line sheet demo one used previously. Once you're in the viewing window, select the Tech Pack option on your version menu, and that will take you to the cloud version of your Tech Pack. Page 1 will give you an overview of your style with the brand and season info, as well as 4 views of the 3D image. But if you prefer to see it as a flat sketch, select the schematic render option underneath the thumbnails. Moving on to your BOMs, you'll find the info here for your colorways and costing for your different sizes. Please note that the missing information can be entered into your property editor in CLO and will populate to CLO3D once updated. If you continue to scroll, you'll find areas to manually add buttons, graphics, and other trims that may not have been imported from CLO's mainframe. Keep in mind, however, that once you have information imported from your BOM editor, you cannot change it here. That all has to be updated in the program. In the Construction tab, you'll find what is more or less a cutter's must. With proper annotation, you will have a record of each pattern piece based on the fabrics. The measurement tab is a graded worksheet of all your measurements with a POM image beside each one. And finally, your costing sheet. So far, your materials add up to roughly $2, but as we all know, that's not all that goes into delivering a finished garment. You also have labor costs, which we can guess is around $5 per unit. Trimming will add $1, and we'll keep the same rate for the rest of these variables. Altogether, this should give you a good idea of what it will cost to manufacture your garment, which in this case is about $11. Finally, let's schedule a due date to send us an automatic reminder for shipment. And voila, we have a tech pack. We can return to the viewing window now, and in our version menu, hover over the style name to see the 3 option dots in the upper right. Select the Tech Pack option, and that will download your Tech Pack in an Excel format. From here, everything is editable, and the only thing not included is your costing estimate. For whatever reason, that remains exclusively on Closet. With that, you can now try to create your tech pack in CLO.